Let's talk about the niches that can bring you the Benjamins. I mean, let's talk about the areas of life that you can focus on to make good, big bucks as a coach. Shall we? Are you ready to learn? Come with me, let's go. Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to know which of the many niches to plug into if you want to make money as a coach. Now, my channel is dedicated for thought leaders, coaches, speakers, trainers, who want to monetize their coaching practice as a coach. I mean, if you want to build, launch, or scale your coaching business to 6 figures in 90 days or less, this is the channel for you. So going deep now into this whole thing of profitable coaching niches. And by the way, I know it's niche, but I call it niche. Why? Because I have a beloved mentor who calls it niche. And his reason is because niches rhymes with riches. Very funny. So in case you're not yet niche, you should get niche. Niching just helps you to, helps you to cater for a specific problem, for a specific people. You can't be everything to everybody, or else you just end up being I shall die, as against trying to play El Shaddai. You just shall die. Just joking. But really, you want to stay focused on a particular problem to solve it to a particular people or for a particular people, so that you can be that big fish in a small pond. All right, and that way you are recognized quickly and faster as the go-to expert. Later on, you can actually go wider, get in more people and solve bigger problems or more problems. That's okay. But for starters, you want to stay focused on one problem to one category of people. So now that you're clear about that, let's talk about the top profitable coaching niches that you can plug your solutions into. The first one needs no introduction. It's the money niche. Yay! So any problem you want to solve for people that helps them to make more money or save more money, that is a profitable niche, because money is like a major need for humanity. So we want to make money, and therefore if your coaching revolves around money making, then by all means you got us. The second niche is entrepreneurship. That is building a business. So if you have something that is tied to helping people to start, to grow, to launch a business, then you will surely make profits, because so many people are on jobs that they don't enjoy and they are looking at starting their own businesses. Some are already in business, but they are still struggling to scale. So if you are in the systems, customer acquisition, sales and marketing, all those sub niches are so super profitable, right? The next one is if you are into fashion and vanity. OMG, you will make a lot of money. Fashion is, appearance. So people want to look good even more than they feel good. Yep. So if you are into styling, makeup, all of those things, fashion, and you will make money as a style coach, as a makeup coach, anything that improves their physical appearance of humans, they will pay for it. All right, so fashion and vanity, it's a great niche for you to focus on. The next niche is health. Yes, so people will pay a ton to be healthy, but because of course health is wealth. So if you are into diet, nutrition, stress management, yoga, skincare, whatever will make people healthier, trust me, you will make money. The next niche here is sex. Yes, sex niche is so profitable. So profitable because people want to learn. They want to know how to get the pleasure that comes from sex. So if you do anything around erection, orgasm, anything like that stimulates. So either you are into the coaching or the products, with it, you will make lots and lots of money because humans are driven by pain or by pleasure. So sex appeals to pleasure, and so they will pay you to be in that. Now you may say, oh, you will stick with sex in marriage or sex in relationships or sex abuse, whatever. So far it's with around sex, you are going to make lots of money. The final niche I know, is very profitable is relationship management in particular, because hey, no man is an island. People want to relate with one another. They want to maximize relationships to leverage on people's networks and increase their net worth, that kind of thing. So really, relationship is a big deal. It could be parenting relationship, it could be spousal relationship, it could be filial relationship, that is family relationship, whatever it is. So if you're sitting into a relationship dynamics as a coach, I bet you will make lots of money. So there you go. I've shared with you 6 top niches that you can make loads of money from as a coach. I hope you found this very helpful. If you have, please share with someone who needs to know how to tie whatever it is they are doing right now into these 6 profitable niches if they want to monetize. And if you have other niches that you believe are quite profitable, please leave your comments. Leave that niche in the comments below. And hey, tell me what's your niche. Just type in who you are, what you do, and your niche. I want to read from you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, come on now. Come on. Hit the button now. Subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Stay focused. Bye for now.